Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Pop-up blockers are a great tool to prevent annoying or potentially dangerous windows from cluttering your screen. But sometimes, you actually need those pop-ups for logging into websites, completing forms, or using essential site features. If you're having trouble with pop-ups being blocked when they shouldn't be, this tutorial will show you how to disable the pop-up blocker safely and easily. Let's walk through the process together. First, open Google Chrome. Click the 3dot menu in the top right. Go to Settings. In this menu, you'll see several options. Tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects. Click on it. By default, this setting is usually set to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Now, select the option that says sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Again, if you prefer to only allow pop-ups for certain websites, scroll to the Customized Behaviors section and click Add Next to allow to send pop-ups and use redirects. That's it. You've now successfully turned off the pop-up blocker in Windows 11. Whether you're using Google Chrome, this change can help you complete important tasks online without the hassle of blocked windows. Just remember to always stay cautious of unfamiliar sites. If this guide helped you, be sure to like, share, or subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. And keep making Windows 11 work your way.